Yes, Radio Campus Orléans, toujours dans le Raiden sur le 88.3 FM. En compagnie de Chronicle et de Jacob du Guiding Star Sound. Yes, bonsoir Jacob, bonsoir Chronicle.
Yes, bonsoir G, bonsoir Sly.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Chronicle en studio.
Yes, it's a pleasure to welcome you, Chronicle. Allez, boum. Yes, Chronicle avec nous donc dans les studios ce soir. Merci Jacob, merci à toi Chronicle d'être avec nous. Thank you, thanks so much. Little interview before you do a freestyle.
You better know.
Yes.
Yeah.
On va poser quelques petites questions. I will ask you some questions so that people can know who you are. So, how and when did you start your musical career?
Right now, I start my music career from that time till this time. Long time. You see, from school days. You see me there?
Yes.
Me there at school and used to sing and collect my lunch money from student and teacher.
Yes,
I
but
buy my big lunch at daytime. So I know say I did something there.
when your career, your first single.
Yeah. My first single named Banana Man. Take up me fork, me shovel me oh, hand me cutlass, me I go chop the woodland, go on plantation. Don't you know me as the Banana Man? Me plant grows me shell and me plant like a tan. Plant up the planting, me plant no yam. By my God and my big right hand, I will live and die a banana man. Banana man, me a the banana man. You understand? Yeah, that's my first song, you see?
La première chanson de Chronicle, Banana Man.
Yeah.
Yes, which year? You remember?
Which year?
Which year?
Yeah, that from, yeah. Now the 80s.
80s?
Yeah, about 84 so.
Yes.
1984.
Yes. Ok. Mr. Chronicle avec nous dans les studios. Sam Mad. And Chronicle, which artist influenced you?
Well, you see my artist Bonafide, Peter Tosh.
Peter Tosh,
See
the
me there?
toughest.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
My artist that will influence me in the music.
Son artiste favori.
Yeah, man.
Yes, your favorite artist. And your music look like Barrington Levy.
Yeah, I rate Barrington Levy still, but you see Peter Tosh.
Peter Tosh is
Yeah.
your icon. Yeah.
Barrington Levy and my style different.
Yes.
If you
different,
just
yes.
listen it and know.
Yes, different.
I think I have
sure.
more power in it. Oh, Lord! You see me there? Yeah, man.
And Chronicle, how you feel to be the Chronix father? Because Chronix is the #1 reggae artist today.
Well,
How you feel? So proud, I think.
I feel 1 trillion original best baby father in the world right now.
Alors, si tout le monde a
Yeah,
compris,
man. Yeah, man.
il se
Yeah, man,
sent
bless up.
Yeah, me I carry Chronix. Me I carry Chronix go to studio when I'm at 3 months. Yeah.
Il a emmené Chronix dès qu'il avait 6 mois en studio en Jamaïque. Chronix Jamar, McNaughton, a toujours vécu avec la musique
Yeah, man.
au travers de son père. Et aujourd'hui, il en est 1 trillion fier
Tu
d'avoir
m'étonnes.
été un très
Of
bon
course.
père pour revoir son fils arriver où il est.
Yes, Chronicle, we are go listen a tune. Yes?
Do you think I hear the king?
Yes, run the tune selector. Original Chronicle on the turntable.
No one knows. No one knows. Wait. Said no one knows the meaning of you are. When the Father shall appear like a stranger. Said don't you wait until later. Oh no, just hold your head in prayer. Pray. No, the time is near at hand. Righteous must prevail and judge the land. Don't you left back on the sinking sand. My main goal is holy Mount Zion. Holy, holy Mount Zion. Pray. Who blocks in the name I get fire burn. Lightning and thunder I go jet pass up. Only Manuel I, to him I pray. Said no one knows the committed on you are. Wait, when the Father shall appear like a stranger. Whoa, said don't you wait until later. Oh no, just hold your ears in prayer. Wait, the Lord is my light and my salvation. Oh, yes, to whom the lacketh and fear. Shiddly. Him guide me in my going and my coming in. Yes, I might know my Lord is there. Hey. The rich shall be richer, poor shall be poorer. The weak shall be weaker, the strong shall be stronger. Yes, I say, wait, said no one knows the meaning of you are. Wait, when the Father shall appear like a stranger. Wait, said don't you wait until later. Oh no, just hold your ears in prayer. Wait.
Yes, toujours en compagnie de Chronicle et Jacob dans les studios du Raiden. Avec un big tune de l'homme Chronicle, Out Name.
No one knows the minute nor the hour. Cause right now, no one knows say Chronicle are there so tonight. You see me there? So that song that goes to everyone. No one knows what go to happen.
No one knows. Personne
ne sait.
Parce que personne ne savait qu'il aurait pu être là ce soir.
Bah écoute, en tout cas, c'est un réel plaisir. Encore une fois, it's a pleasure to welcome you in our program. Tell me, I know you are real friends with Jacob from long time. Can you say some about your collaboration?
Well, you see the collaboration with me and Chronix.
No, Jacob.
Oh, with Jacob. Yeah, man.
Yes, and Chronix too.
Yeah.
The collaboration with Chronix.
Yeah.
Start from him born, a collaboration.
Yes, of
Well, you
course.
see Jacob now,
Yes.
I'm a real Jamaican French brother this. See me there? Africa me I come from. I'm land of England called the World Trade Center bomb up and I say, you know, say England me, you know. And then me go to England and Mark say, yo, so Jacob there, you know, we go to youth. Yeah, man, and that's how
Yes.
things set, man. From that time till this time, man.
So you're on tour with Jacob now?
Always.
Yeah,
Anytime.
man.
Yes, always.
Anytime I come
Jacob,
to France,
dis-nous-
if I'm not Jacob, I'm not coming.
Traduis-nous
Donc
traduis-nous
alors
ça
un
et
peu tout
dis-nous
pour
un peu
revenir.
tout là, voilà.
Comme il dit, on s'est rencontrés, on s'est connus en 2001 à Londres, à Top Secret Studio. C'est là que la connexion s'est faite et direct le feeling est passé tous les deux. Et puis bah voilà, maintenant ça fait déjà 16 ans qu'on se connaît. Il y a eu des relations professionnelles de musique, mais au-delà de là, il y a un côté... voilà, c'est la famille quoi. On est à the same family.
Yeah, man. If I know Jacob, Mr. Jacob, you're going to run, boy.
Et là, du coup, oui, 16
I'm
ans
just make
après,
you
là,
run, boy. Guiding
2017,
star. Yeah.
on a remis le couvert après l'avoir fait en 2001, 2003 et 2007. Il y a quelqu'un qui comprend pas que je suis à la radio, qui essaye de m'appeler désespérément. J'aurais dû couper le volume du téléphone, tant pis c'est comme ça. Et donc ouais, cette année on est reparti sur une petite tournée européenne, puisque là on a déjà fait... Alors on est parti jouer en Belgique, du coup. Là on s'en va à Strasbourg vendredi et samedi on jouera à Mannheim au Route 7 pour les 17 ans de D-Buzz. Big Dance.
Et après, vous
Ça
allez
va-
voir Poupa aussi.
Après, on s'en va à Malte. Et puis, on a fait pas mal de petits boulots studio. Voilà, quoi. Il y aura peut-être des petites tunes qui vont sortir dans l'année qui vont être très, très plaisantes à écouter.
boom.
Voilà, il y a eu
Yes.
du travail.
Tiens, j'en profite, on fait un petit big up à Dread Lion s'il est à l'écoute.
Yes,
Je pense que,
original.
yes,
Dread
ça lui aurait fait
Lion.
plaisir
Yeah,
d'être
man.
ici.
Positive vibe.
Big up
Yes.
Popa Chill, anytime.
Yes, Double Tough, Dreadust, myself, Selecta G with the Yes, Chronicle, have you a message or something you want to say to all people that are listening you tonight?
Yes, people. All I have to say just one love.
Yes, one
And
love.
do good. And good will follow you. And Chronicle there to give you good music.
Real talk, nice
Yeah,
message.
man, you see it. And all of the youths, them, go to school,
Yes.
learn education, and get a lot of subjects. Because me is a pro daddy. Because all of my kids, them, well bright. Chronics alone have 14 subjects. My daughter is the youngest principal in Jamaica and in the world. So I want all youth and youth to just go school, take in an education, and be where you want to be. You see? Yeah, man.
Yes, nice message.
Yeah. Chronicle Love Noir, you see it?
You get it?
Yes.
Merci beaucoup.
Comme ils disent tous, n'oubliez pas, allez apprendre vos basiques à l'école, travaillez, éduquez-vous, et c'est la clé du succès.
Effectivement, Big Up Chronicle. On se réécoute un petit morceau avant de passer au freestyle?
Yeah man!
Yes.
Go on.
C'est ça.
Tinkal, the
Blondie.
anthem.
Siddly-bop, siddly-boop, oh, wait, yes, my God is real. Hey, in the name of the Lord, my God is, yes, is real. My God, what up?
Pull up.
Yeah, man, me day alive. Me day alive is singing for France, man.
Live and direct, Original
yes.
Chronicle dans les studios de Radio Campus
Big
Orléans.
up Lil.
C'est le Raiden.
Out of the massive scene, Princess Lil. Pauline, see it?
Yes, big up Lily, big up tous les gens qui sont avec nous dans les studios ce soir. Il y a
Yeah,
particulièrement du monde.
All
Full of
out
people
there.
in the studio
Yeah, man,
tonight.
all out there.
Big up for the vibes.
Positive Iron Crew.
Yes,
You see it? Interlion Crew.
yes, Mad
Seven
Jamaica too.
Guiding Star
Naf
Crew.
Big Sound
Yeah,
there.
man. Siddly-bop, siddly-boop, oh, hey, in the name of the Lord, my God is, yes, is real. My God is real. Ooh, in the name of the Lord, my God is, yes, is real. My God is real. Hey, He guide you when you going in, and in you coming in, and in you sleeping. Hey, He guide you when you going in, and in you coming in, and in you sleeping. Hey, Him are the greatest. Yes, Him are the greatest. Him are the greatest of all. My God, yes, Him are the greatest. Him are the greatest. Him are the greatest of all. In the name, in the name, yes, my God is real. Hey, yes, I come to tell everyone. Yes, He is my health and my strength. Oh, hey, yes, my God is my hiding place. That's why me know, say, Him are the greatest. Yes, Him are the greatest. Him are the greatest of all. Hey, my God is the greatest. Him are the greatest. Him are the greatest of all. In the name of the Lord, my God is, yes, is real. Is real. Ooh, in the name of the Lord, my God is. Different track. Jacob. Yeah, man. Yes, pass your massive and crew there, man. Hey, whoa, hey. Azunza kazongo zakazong. Whoa, hey, some way. Azunza kazongo zakazong. Whoa, hey. She says she love me, but I don't got no money. All I got to give her is love, sweet love. Your friend might tell you this and that, and they might wonder where I'm at. Them think I'm with Maria Pat, but in the studio is where I'm at. Said no, my little woman, don't run away. Don't run. Pull up, Jacob. Yeah,
Yes,
man.
Chronicle.
Play it again.
En direct des studios
Yeah,
d'Arnaud
man.
Campus Orléans.
Yeah, man. All me have to give is love.
Small Jamaica, Guiding Star, Positive Highway.
Hey, azumza gazongo zagazong. Whoa, hey, some way. Azumza gazongo zagazong. Whoa, hey. She says she love me, but I don't got no money. All I got to give her is love, sweet love. Your friend might tell you this and that, and then I wonder where I'm at. When think I'm with Maria Pat, but in the studio is where I'm at. Said no, my little woman, don't run away. Don't run, don't run, don't run. No, my little woman, don't run away. Because you got to creep before you walk. You got to mumble before you talk. Be a baby before you come a man. So lily girl, you better understand. Said no, my little woman, don't run away. Don't run, don't run. No, my little woman, don't run away. Wait, then come up with the bagger, say, we build up a strife. So little girl, don't run and hide. Said no, my little woman, don't run away. Don't run, don't run. No, my little woman, don't run away. Wait, azunga gazongo zoko. Oh, wait, azunga gazongo zoko. Oh, Campus Radio Man.
Yes, Chronicle avec nous dans les studios de Radio Campus.
Program.
Yes, dans le Ride-On.
Yeah, man.
Big up Guiding Star, big up Smart Jamaica, Original Positive Everyday. Yes, big up encore une fois à tous les auditeurs, à tous les gens qui sont avec nous dans les studios. Yes, Jacob, run the next tune.
All of the herbalists, then you see. Whoa, 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 hey, hey, light it up, every person light it, Hurrah! Well, big up Lil, always light it up, you see it. And all of the massive, all of the crew, man, you see it. Selector G and all of the massive mean. Radio Campus, man. Ride on program.
Ride on.
Whoa, whoa, hey, hey, light it up, a Radio Campus, light it up, every person light it, they smoke the weed until me eyes them red, me get a pound from the natty dread, Kalbongo Nayas got to chew up the weed, this letter G, and then him bless it up, the first thing we do, when me wake up, me put a strong jaw in a me chalice cup. Alaska, Indica, and me Camboland. So take it from Chronicle, me and the two ganja man. Light it up. Every person light it up. Hey, hey, you don't have to guess. So yes, me smoke the best. When me get it from, me set down at the west. From Mexico straight to Tokyo, as them see Chronicle, them want the hydro. Chronicle, me fiddly waddly diddly, and me say no. Yes, me only smoke up the indico. Me smoke up the indico. Hey, hey, light it up, all ins a light it up, Pansman a light it up, London a light it up, New York a light it, burn it up, Jamaica burn it up, no. Yes, we are bonneting with chalice cup. Yes, we are bonneting with chalice. Light it up. Every person light it up. Hey, hey, you don't have to guess. So yes, me smoke the best. Where me get it from, I me said down to Orleans. Yes, that's how me burn it with the king and the queen. Light it. Radio Campus, them a light it up. Radio Campus, light it up. Hey, hey, yeah. Radio Campus, man. Live and direct Chronicle from out of Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, man. All of the massive and all of the crew, man, just light it up, you see it?
Yes, enough people in the studio. Full of vibes, Mr. Chronicle Daya.
Rise. Hey, hey, I can see Selassie rising. I can see Selassie rising across the mountain. Now you rise and let the wind blow. Rise and let the sun shine. Rise. Oh, and the wicked go with thunder. Them go with thunder. There was 199 that safely laid. Where you, some way, and the whole of them, yes, I still see I disciple. Should live up for you. We led them straight to Mount Zion. Hey, the man led the dumb, the blind, and the cripple. Hey, some way, you rise and let the wind blow. You rise and let the sun shine. You rise. Go and the wicked go with thunder. Them go with thunder. Who is the man? Blessed is the man, yes, I am same one. Hey, you, who is the man? Blessed is the man, Selassie, I conquering lion. Hey, he is the only man that open and close the seventh seal. Yes, you know my God is real. Hey, I can see Selassie rising, rising, rising. I can see Selassie rising across the mountain. Well, you rise and let the wind blow. You rise and let the sun shine. You rise. Whoa, and the wicked go with thunder. Them go with thunder. Thou shalt not covet by thy neighbor's gold. Way, so way. Yes, I man come. We tell everyone. Should live up you. Yes, I know my God is real. Hey, yes, I tell it to the kings and not the queen. That's why me know, say, you rise and let the wind blow. You rise and let the sun shine. You rise. Whoa, and the wicked go with thunder. Them go with thunder. I can see Selassie rising, rising, rising. I can see Selassie rising across the mountain. Now you rise and let the wind blow. You rise and let the sun shine. You rise. Whoa, and the wicked go with thunder. Them go with thunder. Under the ground. Yeah, a big up.
Yes, big up Chronicle.
Yeah, man, big up Radio Camp.
En direct avec nous.
Ride On program.
Yes, effectivement.
Yeah, this sir. One of them, two of them, three of them, four of them, five of them, six of them, seven of them. Send you a lot of them come. Radio Campus will throw them down. Down you. Ride On program. You can't play that one time. You can't play that two times. Play it again. Play it again. Silly one little